Hey everyone, Marcus here. In today's video, we're going to talk about the absolute transparency that Economy has. And that was one of the main things that really attracted me to Economy. Because as you know, there are hundreds, thousands, and even tens of thousands of different opportunities out there within the crypto, within the Forex sphere. So why choose Economy? Right? And that was a question I asked myself, and maybe it's a question you're asking yourself as well. So let's dig deep down into why they are so transparent. So what's happening here is that they are trading with a trading bot called Eaconomy. And the great part is that you can use your own brokerage, okay? Any brokerage of your choice, and this bot will trade for you inside your own account. Yes, you heard that right. With the money is in your own control at all times. And guess what? You get to keep 100% of the profit because you only have to pay a monthly subscription fee. And that leaves the door open for complete open and honest verification via my FX book. So right now we have hundreds, if not thousands and thousands of members that has connected their brokerage to my FX book and have the two ticks so that you can see that these are verified trading results. And some of them goes back in time as far as almost 3 years back in time. Right? So we can track the progress of this bot because, any bot can be successful, a couple of months, but to do so continuously year after year, that tells us that this is a quality product because there are so many opportunities out there where they have back office money, where you just have to put your funds into a platform, into a website, and you have no idea what's actually happening behind the scenes. They're telling you, oh, we're doing trading, we're doing staking, we have real estate investments, blah, 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 blah. Do you have any evidence of that? No, we do not, but you should trust us. I mean, come on, we are not stupid. The only thing they're doing is moving money around and paying the new investors with the investors, or paying the old investors, I should say, with all the new investors. And as soon as that dries up, they rug pull it, right? It's a scam. They just run away. And that's no way to build a business. Now with Economy, because you have access to the brokerage of your choice that can be completely verified, it can have all the documents in place, completely regulated, that makes you able to sleep good at night. And when you have all of these testimonials from people about their results, it's so much easier for you to build a team as well. And you get to see that it's actually a quality product that you have. And this is simply amazing. I've never seen this level of transparency before, both with the safety and security of your funds, but also the amazing products and service of Economy. As you may or may not know, they have a 92 to 94% retention rate on a monthly basis, which means that the absolute majority of people who get started with Economy, they stick around. Why? Because the value that they get is much higher than the monthly subscription fee that they're paying. And people are happy to do so. Because right now, because there's no performance fee, as other bots have as well, right? Some bots have that. They also have the safety and security, but they have to charge a performance fee. Now, if you're making $10,000 worth of profit for the month, and that's completely possible. I'm not making any income claims here, and past results are not indicative of future results. But we have people in our team, multiple people in our team, who's put in more than $100,000 themselves. And if they were trading with a $100,000 account, made 10% for the month, hey, they would make $10,000 for that particular month. And if they were have to pay, 20% as a performance fee, that would be, $2,000, which is pretty steep. But right now, they only have to pay $149 for the subscription, and they get to keep all the profits for themselves. So if you are looking for, the bigger investors, they're gonna absolutely love Economy. Why? Because you have a track record of success full transparency, and the funds are with them at all times. It doesn't get better than this. But wait, there's more. Now I'm actually going to share with you some of the results from the trading signals and also some testimonials from the ones that have used the automation software Eaconomy. So I'm going to put this here so you get to see exactly what type of results they have been experiencing. Hey everyone, and welcome to this economy presentation. We're going to take a look at some testimonials and some results, both from the Eaconomy, the automatic software, and from the amazing signals that Eaconomy also has. So let's jump into it. The great thing about the Eaconomy is that you get to keep your funds safe and secure in the broker of your choice. And what happens is that we have now hundreds and even thousands of the different members in Eaconomy. They have connected to something called My FX Book. And if you see these two ticks here, track record verified and trading privileges verified, then we can know that these results are accurate, right? So there's no messing about with Eaconomy in any way, shape, or form. There is 100% complete transparency where every single user can show you their independent results inside their own broker. And guess what? 100% of the profits is theirs to keep. There's no performance fee whatsoever. All they have to do is pay a flat subscription fee of $150, and they can enjoy these amazing results. And before we go further, let me just tell you this. Past results are not indicative of future results, and there's always risks when it comes to trading. So there, I've said it. Let's jump into some of the results. So in this first account, this is actually a rather big account. It's about 100K account, someone in our team that recently got started with Eaconomy, and they are absolutely loving it. And as you can see, for the month, they made almost 11% even, 11%. And if we go down, we can see that, okay, August, 6% started it in the end of August, and now September, 11% already. So this is amazing. This person is absolutely loving it. And we can see as well that the drawdown has not been very big. You see 0.57%, 0.62%, or 0.62%. They're very small drawdowns, which is amazing. There's no gambling, so to speak, taking place here. If we take the look at the next one, you will see that the gain is here 350, almost 58%. So they have done this for a longer time period. Here you can also see that the results go back to 2020. But you can see there's been really consistent, and I think it's the scale factor 2 they're using here. So they are getting an average of about 10%. And remember, these are trades happening inside your own personal account. You get to keep all the profits, and they just have to pay the $149 per month. And if you're interested in more information, if you want to join the team, just feel free to click the link down below in the description, and you'll get more information on that. So this is absolutely amazing. 2022 also trading very consistent results as well. And in 2020, they were just getting started, November, December. So Eaconomy has already been around for a while, for a couple of years, 3 years now. And they will continue to be there for many years to come. And the reason for that is because there's no back office money, right? They have a working product. As you can see, without a shadow of a doubt, you have many independent people, right? You'll see both here from the Eaconomy, but also in the signals, which I'm going to show you after the Eaconomy. You will see that the results are absolutely amazing, and that is why Eaconomy has a 92 to 94%
retention rate as well. Here's yet another account with Eaconomy. We take a look and let's see what's happening here. 88% gain, very impressive. See, especially if you look at the landscape today, like, of course, there's risk with everything, but in the current market, there's a risk leaving your funds in your own bank account as well due to inflation. It's just losing its money. So in my mind, okay, if I can put some of my money offset for investments, not rent money, obviously, but if I can move that to a broker, have it sitting in a broker account with a regulated, trusted broker that has been around forever, right? And have it sitting in an account there and it's generating a cash flow for me, of course, I would do so, right? You will see here really amazing as well, the growth. Look at this for the month, almost 12%. And the great part is there's like automatic compounding, because when you start earning more, you will also, the lot sizes for the next trades get bigger. So the more profit you make, the more you will then trade with the next time around as well, right? So there's an automated compound aspect to Eaconomy as well, which means you can basically set it and forget it, right? And it will take care of everything, which is pretty awesome. And if we go to the next one, check this out. So this is pretty impressive. You can see here is 172% gains, which is amazing. There is $13,000 profit, which is really nice if you ask me. If you go down, you can see a lot of awesome things. All right, it's coming around. But the most important things, oh, here it comes. Here it comes. We have some crazy months here, but it's been an average of around 10% on average, right? Which is really, really, really nice. Having 10% compounded per month. Woo! And then some of you are asking, how is that even possible? Because if you spend some time with a compound calculator, you will quickly realize that if you make that, per month, your funds will quickly grow to really big sums. But the fact is, this is Forex, and this is like 11 trillion or something crazy like that being traded on a daily basis. I mean, it's huge Forex market. So you getting a few millions out of the Forex market is like taking a bucket of water from the ocean. Like, it won't even make a dent, which is really, really, really amazing that we have a software here and they have made it available for everyday normal people, right? That maybe don't want to spend hours and hours and hours and hours learning about trading, learning, graphs, resistance, support lines, all of that stuff. I know I don't want to. But if this is a legitimate thing and we have a track record of its success, then I'll be happy to use it and share it with people as well, right? So this is amazing, amazing stuff. Let's go to the next one. As you see, all settings are verified, and you might all trades are verified. And why you might ask yourself, why do the different incomes vary from person to person? Well, that's because there's different risk settings that you can choose, and they are trading with different amounts of capital. It will make a difference. So for instance, if we get started with Eaconomy, is a minimum required, not required, but a minimum suggested amount of $1,000, because it just simply works better the more funds you have. We have many people on the team. The first guy I showed you, he has gone in with 100K, 100,000. We have also people got in with 10, 20, 40, 50K. And when they see these results month after month, they tend to, put in more and more and more and more money, right? Because it's doing what it's supposed to do. They have their funds safely secure in their own account, and they are tired of scams. They're tired of rug pulls. They really want something that is actually genuine, that's actually long term, that's actually passive. And that is exactly what we have here with Eaconomy. So let's take a look at the last one before we take a look at the results of the different signals, which is absolutely amazing. Some weeks there's been more than 3,500 pips. So we're going to take a look at that. And you guys, you can do this simultaneously, right? You can have the bot doing its thing on automation and at the same time do the different trade ideas from the trade signals. You can jump on live trading sessions with educators, right? And do trades and learn how to do it yourself as well. Wow, the growth. We have just started out here, 12% for the year. That's pretty awesome. 12% for September so far. Really nice. Really nice. All right. So this is the benefit, right? There is no shady back office money, right? The economy does not know the trading amount you have. There's full and complete transparency due to the track record verification and trading privileges verification on my FX book, right? So it's all out in the open. It's 100% transparent and every user can connect to this, right? So it doesn't get better than this. Something that's reliable long term, and you get to keep 100% of the profits. 100%. Say that you are trading with 100K, right? And you make 10% for the month. Well, that would be $10,000 worth of profit, and you get to keep all of it. All you have to pay is the monthly fee of $149, and you can keep the rest, right? It's not a performance fee where if there's been a performance fee of 20%, then it would cost you $2,000 per month, and that would be steep. Now you only have to pay $149 and you get access to all of it. So what we're going to do right now is we are going to take a look at the signals as well. Because if you loved Ifina, you are going to be super excited about the different signals as well. So here comes that review. Let's start off with indices. This is from August 7th to August 13th. So these are weekly results. So I have for a couple of weeks here that I want to share with you guys. And so you can get a feel for what to expect. Even though past results are not indicative of future results, you get a feel for what it could look like, so to speak. All right, so if we start over here with indices, we will see that the 100% win rate, four wins, 645 pips, points in profit. This is awesome. For the RFX, there's a win ratio of 95%, really good. 38 wins, 2 losses, 2 break even. Marathon record RFX, 92.5% win ratio, 3 losses, 37 wins and 1 break even. Weekly Forex results from the August 7th to August 13th between all of them. So that's 1,359 pips. And I know traders, I have personal friends who are traders, and they are paying insane amount of money, right? There is some guy, bought a Telegram, access to a Telegram group that gave signals for half a Bitcoin, 0.5 Bitcoin. They bought in, and now you with Economy for a monthly fee of $99, you get to keep all the profits yourself. You just pay a flat fee of $99 and you get all of these trade ideas sent to you that you can take action on. It's absolutely mind-boggling. So next week also 1,300 in that range. Really good. And if you take a look at indices, this is the August 14th, August 21, 100% the win rate, 970 pips. RFX August 14th to August 21, 9 losses, 44 wins, 2 break even for 83% win ratio. Weekly Forex results, you will see that's 105 pips for the MNS for the Nepal, which is really awesome. Another week here, August 22 to August 27 in 1,685 pips with a 73.12% win rate. And this is between all of them. So this is really awesome. We have for the M&S Nepal, and that's 200 pips for them. August 22 to August 27, you know, just for the RFX, we have a 76.79% win ratio, 43 wins and 13 losses. We have indices, also 100% win rate, 970 pips, 69 pips. And August 29 to September the 1st, there's 896 pips for 87.83% win ratio. RFX, 81 wins and 10 losses, making it 89% win ratio. Indices, 6 wins, 100% win rate, 1,490 pips. And indices here, the 4th to the 10th of September, is 100% win rate with 7 wins and 1,950 pips. And if you look at September, for the 4th of September to the 10th of September, there's 11 losses, 61 wins with RFX, 84.72% win ratio. Weekly results, September the 4th to December 10, all in all, there's 1,019 pips with an 81% win ratio. And for the same time, just for the M&S Nepal, there's 155 pips. Stock options, we have 10 wins, 0 losses, 48 points, 100% win ratio. And that is the conclusion here as well. So even though past results are not indicative of future results, like if you took action on this, I'm not saying that it will happen, I'm not saying it's a guarantee, but we can look at previous results. So if you had taken action on these here trade ideas, you could have doubled your account easily, right? You could have. So, and imagine being able to keep 100% of your profits, all of these pips, just a flat fee of $99. And here we have a track record where you can see that where week after week, month after month, it's delivering the goods. So I just wanted to share this short video with you and show you how really amazing the trade signals with Eaconomy is. And if you're interested in getting started with us, joining with me and my team, and other 6- and 7-figure earners in the industry that we're working with, just fill in the link down in the description below and we will help you set everything up. Thank you very much. My name is Marcus. Bye-bye.